The human brain? The human brain is an organ in the body that exists only to store memory. The purpose of the brain is to process, input information, analyze it, sort it, retrieve it, modify it. It is a processor, not a creator. It is reactive, not creative. Reactive in the sense that thoughts are not created inside of the brain, rather the brain reacts to the environment and produces thoughts. Thoughts come from outside of the body. The body receives sensations through the senses, and those sensations are translated by the brain in the form of thoughts. The human body works as a stimulus response system. There is a response to the stimulus received by the human being from their environment, and then that response is translated by the brain to produce thoughts and emotions. If there is no translation of the response, there will be no way to perceive the object. The human body is a biological computer, a biological machine, a robot that operates on memory. Memory is stored in the form of chemicals in the brain. Images in the brain are created by memory, and those images which are created by memory are cultural inputs. They are ideas and concepts fed to the brain by culture, taking the form of images through imagination, being stored as memory. Sensory perceptions are translated into the framework of memory. Light falls on the retina. The sensory impulses are carried to the brain through the optic nerve, and the image is recreated by memory. Memory is not a constant, as the image would not be perceived if the brain does not translate the object falling on the retina. By the time thought captures the objects within its framework, the sense organ, that being the eyes in this case, moves away from the object, and the object is erased from the brain. Human beings are biological computers along with something more complex, something vital and living, like the electric energy, the energy of life. The human brain